right, welcome once again to Technique 360, your go-to hub for technological reviews on different aspects of the tech space. Okay, so in today's video, we'll be looking at AI video makers or generators. All right, so do well to stay tuned to the end to get the full gist. So before we delve in proper, let's quickly look at prompt engineering for video makers. All right. So in this note, I have provided tips, guidelines, and even prompts you can practice with. So do well to go through this note. The link is already in the description section. Okay. So without further much ado, the tool we'll be looking at in this video is Lumen 5. Lumen 5 AI video maker or generator. Alright, so the link to this platform will be disclosed to you at the end of this video, so stay tuned to the end. Okay, so when you access the link, you'll be prompted to sign up, and after doing that, you will be on this same page with me. So our interest is converting text prompt to videos. Okay, meanwhile, you can also use images, your blog post or website, social media URL to make videos. Just provide the URL, then that particular page will be converted to video. You can also bring in PDF, your presentation PowerPoint to convert to video. So once you're on this page, you pick the option text on media. All right, so it will bring you to this page where you have to type in your prompt or copy and paste. Okay, so we'll go over to our note. We'll have a lot of prompts already prepared, so we can make use of any one of them here. Okay, let's make use of this prompt. You copy, excluding the quotation marks, then let's paste to a video maker. All right, okay, okay. Our prompt is not suitable for this platform. It's more of business, marketing, and education. Okay, all right, so let's pick a prompt on education. Okay, more of education, marketing. Okay, paste. All right, okay, or you can type directly here. Let's make it 10 seconds duration. So once you're done writing your prompt or copying and pasting, you click compose script. Okay, you can see at the top middle we have add content. The next stage is what we're in now. Then the next stage will be edit script, guide the media, then finally your video. Okay, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So introduction will carry this right up. A single water droplet clings to a spider web. Okay, so you go through each of them to be sure what is written is all good. Said it will take about 23 seconds. Okay, you click continue. Continue. So you have to check script accuracy. Okay, so now this is different scenes of the video that will be generated. Our prompt was splitted into scripts, which is what you're seeing, that will form different scenes of the video. So you are at will to add, remove. Okay, if you click this, you can see, okay, you can delete this, you can add another below it. Okay, so from what is here we can just go ahead. Okay, 6 scripts. Okay, it's all right, it's all right, it's all right. So let's go ahead. But if you want to add, you can add. If you want to remove, you can also remove by deleting block. Is that okay? So we move over to the next option. So this tool or platform allows you to use your own personalized images. If you have images you prefer to be used for the video, you can use this field to bring them all in. Okay, otherwise you make use of the one the system has already. Okay, all right, so okay, so for the different scenes, this for the first scene, macro water droplets, next spider web, next reflections on water droplets, till we get to the last scene. Okay, so these are the images that will be used in the video footage. Okay, so if it's all good by you, peradventure you don't want any of this, or you uncheck it. Okay, if you want, you check it. All right, and as I said earlier, you can bring in your own images. Once you're done, you click generate video. Okay, let's give them a thumbs up. Let's say none for now. This is just like a brief review of feedback, okay? If you wish, you can do that, otherwise you ignore. All right. So as you can see, these are the different scenes of the video. Okay, if you need to change the write-up on the video, as you can see, it's editable, as you can see. All right, so you are at will to do whatever you want to do. Okay, you are at will to change anything before the final product is ready. Okay, so there's even provision for outro. Outro is like the last things that will be said at the end of the video. So if you want, you can include an outro by clicking add outro. If that is important to you, you can add new scene. At the end of this scene, you can add more if you want. Okay, this generator is really impressing me. Okay, so scene 1, you can preview. Duration, you can either add or reduce the duration. You can swap the design here to any other one. Shuffle the colors. Okay, so you cross check the product with the prompt assigned. This is the prompt we assigned it. Talking about spider, water droplet on a spider. Okay, so looking at this prompt, is it aligning with what we have here? Yes, it is. Let's preview the first scene. Just 3 seconds. You can add the duration if you want. You can change the write-up. Let's preview the next scene. Amazing. Amazing. All right, so when you preview all scenes and they are all good to go, the next is you click publish at the top right corner. All right, click publish. You can also add some other things using the elements at the extreme left. Okay, you can add music, style, format, and so on. Okay, so let's publish. All right, So our video is fully ready now. Okay, you can see the caption is water droplet on spider web, which is okay. Duration 27 seconds, which is okay. You can see at the bottom you can, wow, amazing. It has downloaded automatically. That's amazing. You can download the audio, just the, if you want only the audio, you download the audio only. Okay, if you want to make use of the scenes as per pics, you can do that. If you want to make use of the transcription, you can do that. You can copy the link and share with others to have a look at it directly from this platform. You can edit the video further if you want, and it's already in my download folder. Alright, so let's play the video and see again. Interesting, right? Alright, so that's it. That's it. Okay. So that will be all for this video. If you got value, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Technic 360 channel, and turn on your notification to get notified when similar videos or others arrive from Technic 360, your go-to hub for technological reviews. Don't forget to make use of this note to acquaint yourself with all you need for the best result. Okay, so the link is this. This is the link to the tool Lumen 5. Okay, so use this to access the platform. Sign up so you can access more features. All right, so if you have any concerns, you can make use of the comment section to reach out to us for any concerns. Thank you once again for staying tuned to the end. Bye for now.